We are in a new year, which means a lot of us want to try and lose weight and eat better.
Instead of trying our tempting fat diet, try delicious healthy foods with a high flavor. Sarah Krieger is a registered dietitian, and she is back in the daytime kitchen with a delicious and healthy recipe to help jumpstart 2018.
Sarah, good to have you here.
Always a pleasure.
You don't like the fact that a lot of people are on diets right now, do you?
You know what? I hate to say that it's my busy season. I have so many clients that want to lose weight. Most Americans do. And it pains me to hear them say that they're taking powders and pills and appetizers. It's, you know, it's just not long term.
Right.
We are here to enjoy food. And so I am sharing a delicious recipe from a quick Monday through Friday because I know that a lot of people are busy. We're all busy. But you can still eat delicious, tasty meals.
Yeah, we shouldn't be waging a war on food because food is one of the pleasures in life.
Right. Yeah. So I have some lean beef here that you know, a lot of people think about beef as being like a steakhouse only, as more of an indulgent.
Right.
But, you know, low in saturated fat when we choose lean cuts. And so I'm going to show you quickly how to create this Monday through Friday.
Okay.
This is just a nice little round steak. And because it's lean, we're adding that heart-healthy olive oil to it.
Good.
I'll do this if you don't want to.
Sure, go for it. It's all yours.
So we're doing some olive oil and a little bit of cumin. We're doing like a southwestern bowl.
Okay.
Which
those are good.
are still on point for trend.
Yes.
You know, a lot of people like those. I like those. Some paprika. It's a little bit of salt. I already added the oil. And we're going to add just a little bit of salt. When you add salt before you make a steak, guess what happens?
It makes it something.
Draws out the moisture. I'm just going to, for food safety, I'm just going to do this like this. So we're going to rub it in, both sides. And then we're going to put it right on the grill pan. I like grill pans because you get that nice little brown sear.
Yes.
Right? Okay? So the thing with cooking steak at home is a lot of people are confused. They overcook it, right? And then it's dry. When it's so lean, we want to make sure that it is 145 would be for medium rare.
Okay.
Which is what most people like. 160 for medium. So for a half-inch cut like this, it's only going to be about 3 to 4 minutes each side.
Not bad.
Okay.
Yeah. Hear that, Dad?
Yeah. So while that's cooking, we're going to cook up our grain. Of course, I already did. Brown rice, quinoa. Have y'all tried quinoa?
Oh, yeah.
I love quinoa.
Yeah, me too. Love it.
So quinoa is great, or you could use sorghum. That's just a little sea salt. Actually, would you mind seasoning that side?
there you go.
Sure.
So now that it's getting going. So to build a bowl, we're going to start with our base, which is our whole grain.
Okay.
We still want to include most of our meals with whole grains, a lot of fruits and vegetables, and only about 3 to 4 ounces of lean beef.
Okay. And you can get this in a microwavable pack now.
Yes,
I mean,
like a steam bag.
There's no excuse. It's so easy.
And this kind I didn't have to rinse. Remember when first quinoa what a pain that was.
That was a pain.
Yeah, so we're doing that.
This
and
goes
then
over.
exactly. So actually if you want to just flip that over,
Flip?
let's see how
Do you
it
want me to
goes.
use this?
Sure. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Flip that over and okay, it's doing it. It's all right. So we're going to pretend that that is still cooking, right? And then once it's off, you can just cut into, like here we go with our 3 ounces. That's all we need.
Okay.
Okay.
That's not the American way. You know that.
Exactly. Again, we have this all or none. Like I should only be eating vegetables or I'm only eating meat, and that's just not the case.
No.
So I'm just going to brag that this was kind of cooked
perfectly.
Lovely. Okay, thank you. All right, so we're going to add our meat on there, and then here's where the produce shines.
Okay.
Now, raw, cooked, whatever. I personally like cooked cabbage, so I cooked this.
And let's talk about red cabbage because it's really good for you.
Exactly. And it's colorful. You know, when so many people think of just salads and, you know, regular green cabbage, but why not the purples?
Why not?
Antioxidants. This is a very, very heart-healthy type of meal.
Perfect.
Okay. And then we're going to add our salsa or tomatoes right on the side.
The way this is shaping up.
I know. Again, high flavor. We're going to add our cilantro, which you just want to do a rough chop.
Right.
Okay. Again, almost like a salad. And our guacamole, because avocados still are extremely healthy.
So good for you.
Yep.
Healthy fats.
Exactly. A little bit of plain non-fat Greek yogurt adds a little bit more protein. So this meal is super, super high in nutrition, B vitamins, zinc, a lot of, you know, fiber from the quinoa and the vegetables. And then just for fun, you can chop a few chips on the top just for color. and for crunch.
Nice.
And that's it, you know? Who's not going to love this?
And it's a satisfying meal, even though it's only got that much meat in it. That is going to fill you up.
Yeah,
This will fill you up
absolutely.
for lunch, dinner, Monday through Friday.
Love it. Say goodbye to the diet and just eat like this.
Please.
All right. Sarah Krieger, thank you.
Thank you.
Daytime will be right back.